All right, we want to solve for the missing sides here, A and B. First thing I got to do is recognize what kind of triangle this is. This is a special right triangle. It's a 30, 60, 90, which has side ratios of 1 to root 3 to 2. So I want to use these side ratios to figure out my missing side. So go ahead and label your angles there. I know if I take the side that's opposite from the 30-degree angle, the B, and I multiply it by root 3, that's going to give me the side that's opposite the 60-degree angle, which happens to be 11 root 3 here. So I'll go through and solve for B. So in other words, just divide by root 3, divide by root 3. That gives us a nice, easy expression to simplify on the right. I got a root 3 in the top and the bottom, so they both cancel. B is equal to 11. So the side that's opposite my 30 is 11. So the next relationship we're going to use is if I take that side, B, that's opposite the 30-degree angle, and I multiply it by 2, that gives me the hypotenuse, which in this case is A. So nice and easy, 22 is my hypotenuse, and I'm done.